So I walk to this point, right? It says falls that way or pools that way. Well, I'm with someone that's drinking vodka. I don't drink vodka. So, anyways, I'm going this way to the falls. Bear with me, alright? We're going to walk all the way down here and I'm going to show you something. We're going to go down this track. I'm going to show you something cool. Chill out. Might even be banging a hottie tonight if she's onto the vodkas. Jesus. Quick update on my way down to the falls. Check this out, mate. I found Robin Hood's lair. Yeah. Cool. Hey. That is wicked. Nearly down at the falls, but guess what? We're going to take a little sideway 180 meters. It'll come back to you. Check it out. That's insane. It's bloody impressive. Middle of nowhere. Middle. Come back to you when I'm right there. We're nearly there. Check it out. 50 meters to go. I'm guessing we go down here. Be back when I'm down there. All the way from up there down to here, guess what you get? A park bench to sit your ass down and check out that view. Yeah, you do. Get to sit down. Take a look ski, look around. It's just all rock. Well, it's cool. Gotta go down here, so just bear with me when I'm down there. I'll get back to you. Well, I got me little sidekick, Jess, mate. Oh my God. Jess, has this been a big walk? Boy, Jess, has it been a big walk? Nah. Anyways, we're down here. Check it out. Check that out. Full handmade thingy-majiggy. Now that's some exercise walking down to that part. Now I'm walking back out. So wait till I get down to the other place where I was meant to be going. Not stuck here in the middle of nowhere. Looking at that one. So let's go. Follow me down. She's hot, she's muggy, and we're nearly there. We got 50 meters. 50. Bear with me when we get down there. 50 to go. We made it. Jess, you still with me? Yeah, he's still here. He's bugging. This is... I don't know if you can take that in, people. Poor bugger. Don't be a bloody idiot. Right? Jess, so you have to go in the water. Wait a minute, this is what we're here to look at, people.
Yeah, guys, you're going to get hurt.
Check them waterfalls out. Yeah. How's that? Told you I'll take you somewhere special. That's more water than you can, you know, when you flick something and like it just goes psh, big gash. Check out that water flow. Bet you no one can make it that wet. Bloody hell, people, have a read. Didn't even get to party for his 21st birthday. Sad. Come all this way and then you find something like that. Oh well. He lost his life, jumping from the cliffs. Bloody hell. I think on the next adventure I'm going to go all the way up there and go in that cave.